Hi, Mrs. Moran. This is Mindy Wheat. I wanted to talk to you about James and his usage on Lexia. I know you've been going through some difficult times recently, so I understand that he hasn't been utilizing it regularly, but I just really want to encourage you that the program, that's what the big blue bars are showing, are saying that he should be using the program for 60 minutes a week. So just make sure he's getting on for 60 minutes a week. It looks like it dropped back down in March down to 40 minutes a week. So at least start at 40 minutes a week for right now and see how he is doing, but I would like to see 40 minutes consistently for a month. And then I was looking at some of the actual activities that he's been working on, and one of the things that is a little difficult is the vowel R, like R-controlled vowels, as you can see here. Especially this fifth activity, he spent 17 minutes on it total and repeated the activity 19 times. So that was kind of tricky for him. He was having a difficult time constructing or building or spelling words that had IR, UR, ER, and AR. And maybe that is just he wasn't sure if it was ER, IR, or UR, which is pretty common, or he wasn't hearing the word correctly. So if you can, I'm going to be sending some worksheets that have some activities that he can do that are also working on this. If you could have him do that at home, that would be great. And let me know if you have any questions. But keep having him work on Lexia. It looks like it's a good level for him.